In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Klaviyo Sale Clothes Shop. Start by logging into your Klaviyo account and heading to the Campaigns section. This is where you create one-time email sends, like a sale announcement for your clothing shop. Click Create Campaign, then choose Email. This tells Klaviyo you want to build and send a marketing email. Next, give your campaign a clear name. Use something that helps you recognize it later, such as the type of sale and the date. Then select your recipient list. This is the audience that will get the email, so make sure you choose the correct list for your store. If you have multiple lists, pick the one that best matches your shoppers, like recent customers or newsletter subscribers. Once that is set, click Continue to Content. Now you will add the details your subscribers see in their inbox. Enter your subject line and preview text. Keep your subject line simple and direct, and use the preview text to add an extra detail, like the discount or a reminder that items are limited. These two fields are important because they strongly affect open rates. After that, choose your email design. Click Drag and Drop, then open the template library. This gives you pre-built layouts that are easy to customize without coding. To find a design that fits a clothing sale, use the filter and select e-commerce. Then choose a clothing or apparel template. Pick one with a strong product section and a clear call to action. Now you will connect the email to your sale items. In the editor, click the product block. Set it to pull from your sale collection, so the email shows the products you actually want to promote. This keeps the content focused and makes it easier for customers to shop. Next, click the CTA button and paste your shop sale URL. This link should go directly to your sale page or collection, not your home page, so customers land exactly where you want them to shop. When you are done, click Save and Exit, then continue to review. Take a moment to double-check the subject line, links, and products. Finally, choose Schedule if you want it to send at a specific time, or select Send Now to deliver it immediately. And that is all there is to it.